everybody. Hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson, and this is Surplus Funds 101. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about Monday and how you have a humongous advantage if you utilize this day the correct way. But with that being said, I first wanted to start off by saying thank you to all the people who have liked the video, subscribed to the channel, even bought in and made an investment in yourself in my course. That means a lot to me. If any of you guys are listening are interested in joining the course and the program, DM me on Instagram, and I'm more than happy to hop on a quick little 10-minute Skype call with you and discuss everything, so you guys can feel confident that you're making a good investment. I always tell people, if you're going to make an investment of any size or something that's important to you, you should be able to touch it, see it, communicate with it before you ever do that. And I think I owe it to you guys to be able to meet me, and I can go over a few things with you and see if it's even the right fit for you. Because the big benefit to you guys with doing that too is that you guys don't have to make an investment into something that you're instantly disappointed in, to where you'd have to worry about somebody issuing you a refund. And so I'm more than happy to hop on a quick little phone call with you if you want, and go over all this. There will be an investment, and so if you guys are really serious, just let me know. But with that being said, I want to talk more about Mondays. And you guys, I love Mondays. And Mondays, the best part about it is you can create calculated momentum for yourself and your business for the whole entire rest of the week. I think I've shared with you guys before my past career of being a door knocker. One of the best things that ever happened to me. God, I got like 4,000 personal transactions up and probably 20,000 override transactions, probably more than that. But yeah, there was a time in my career where I was at the top of the mountain in that industry. I went from a door knocker to an assistant manager to a manager to an assistant regional to an owner. And there was one point where I was working for a company and I was overriding about 100 people. Well, I wasn't overriding all of them, but I was one of the main guys there. And I got the privilege to go and be able to interview and communicate and talk to anybody I wanted at any given time. And so I fully used and abused that. And one of the best things about it was I would go and I would trail behind the guys who had a 0 to 1 day average, and I'd also go trail behind the guys that had a 5 to 8 a day average, right? And so I always wanted to know what the indifference that made the difference was. Like, hey, what are the top guys doing, so I can just duplicate it and apply it for my own business and then see an instant result, because then you've gone through the trial and error process and not have to go through all the BS the guys with the 1 a day average had to go to learn those things. And one of the key things that all the 5 a day average guys would do is they would really utilize Monday. Okay, now let me explain a little bit more in depth about why Monday is so important. Okay, hypothetically speaking, let's put ourselves on Wednesday. And let's say Wednesday comes and you don't have any deals on the board at that point, right? Like internally, your confidence, your conviction, your morale, it starts to drop because you're thinking to yourself, oh my God, I haven't made any money this week. And you're just not effective at all. What these guys would do is they would really work their asses off Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So they would just stack up deals to where when Wednesday rolled around, they had a lot to look at and a lot of conviction. They could say, hey, look, it's Wednesday and I've already made my week's production. And something happens psychologically in your brain. Once you have something on the board to show for, especially when you're an independent contractor and you're not making any money at all unless you sell something, like the best part about Monday is it's a new day, it's a new week. The board has been wiped clean and it's yours for the taking. And so what I always tell people to do is on Mondays, work as much as you possibly can, because you want to get a deal the fastest possible way you possibly can. And the way to do it is to use Mondays and utilize them. The last thing you want to do is sit around and worry about Monday, complain that it's Monday. So I can't wait till it's Friday. Like, I've seen those Instagram memes for years, and I always laugh when I'm scrolling through them, like people that are afraid of Mondays. It's going to happen one way or another. And you guys, it's a great day to have an awesome setup for your whole entire week and create that calculated momentum moving forward to where you can really start seeing the results you want. But that's it, you guys. Go out there and crush it. I know it's Monday. Go get it.